Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Aaron with U-Haul. Today we're going to be installing the SumoSprings made by SuperSprings on this Toyota Tacoma. Now installing this on your vehicle will help take pressure off of your axles and wheels and give you better handling and braking with a weighted load. So let's go ahead and talk about those and show you how easy it is to install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete your installation. So we're going to start by installing the SumoSprings. These are going to replace the rear bump stocks on your vehicle. Now, this is made from a dense urethane material, which really helps cushion your load really well. Now, compared to airbags, these take a lot less maintenance. With airbags, you could have punctures. You have to constantly be checking the air pressure, make sure that it's at the right spot. But with the SumoSprings, they sell them in different densities, so you can check their website to see which one works best for you. Now, before we install this, we want to make sure first that our vehicle is on level ground and that our parking brake is engaged. And then to give us a little bit of extra room to install these, we're going to lift up our vehicle from the frame just a few inches. So let's go ahead and do that. So we went ahead and removed the spare tire as well to give a little bit more space to see everything. That's not necessary for the installation, but our next step is we're going to remove the factory bump stock. It's being held on by these U-bolts, and to remove them, they're attached with these nuts on the bottom. There's 4 of them that we're going to start to remove. And we're going to use a 19mm socket to loosen up those nuts. And we're just going to leave it loosely at the end, and we'll repeat on the other 3. To remove the factory bump stock, we're going to push up on the U-bolt over the lip, and that will give us clearance to remove it. Now with the factory bump stock removed, you can clearly see the difference on the two. The SumoSpring is much bigger, covers a lot more area, a lot more dense. So as we can see, they both have the same grooves. This is going to replace it with the U-bolts going in these 2 sides. Let's go ahead and put it into place. So before we put our SumoSprings into place, we're going to go ahead and unscrew it. And on this threaded bolt right here, we're going to apply the provided Loctite. And then we'll go ahead and screw this back on. And now we're ready to put it into place. So we're going to line up our SumoSpring and put the U-bolts over those grooves. And we're just going to make sure that it lines up with our frame. And now we're ready to retighten it back up. Now using a torque wrench, we're going to tighten those nuts to the manufacturer's specification. All right guys, you saw how easy it was to install that. Let's go ahead and repeat on the other side. All right, now that we have the driver's side SumoSpring installed, we went ahead and lowered our vehicle and we're all ready to hit the great outdoors. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, you can head over to your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.